Yeah. I remember those days when my name rang bells in December. For Christmas I know it was bang shells. The mentality of not really giving a fuck. And if I never won, then I never gave up. Reminisce on the times I did hang through the night. The days of not caring if I was wrong or right. The days of being free, I was born to raise hell. And when I was caught, I'd always get bail. See yo, things changed from those days in the past. My life is more serious, no time to laugh. And the friends that I knew slowly drifted apart. Rap became my life, now it's breaking my heart. It used to be the reason that I woke up in the morning to see another day, but my music kept me soaring. But now I don't know how to do this anymore. Say goodbye to the past, now I gotta close the door.
I remember
those days we used to have, our fuss so gone.
I remember
now everything in our life is going wrong.
Cause I remember
and now we live in a life where we don't get along.
I remember
we're trying to pull through this, but for how long?
I remember those days when I first came out. Everybody was like, you more dirty than the South. There was never a time you caught me without the rapping. Everywhere I went, there was always people clapping. Times would change, I rode deep in the hood. I was making money, I was up to no good. I remember that night, we spit rhymes to the block. And then the drive-by, yeah, Shamel got shot. A few months passed, I lost track at the time. I touched my first gad in the year.